5 excellent exercises for building a bigger back. Do you want to develop a more powerful, broad, and thick back? You've come to the correct site. Today, I'm going to give you 5 essential workouts to improve your back's shape and strength, regardless of whether you're having trouble adding size. Our goal is to provide you a comprehensive, strong appearance by focusing on width, thickness, and overall strength. So let's get started. 1. Deadlifts. Let's start with the deadlift. This works your entire posterior chain, making it the ultimate mass builder. Maintain a straight back, a firm core, and drive into your heels. Your back becomes thicker and stronger overall with this exercise. 3 to 4 sets of 5 to 8 reps is the goal. 2. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are the best exercise for back breadth. A wide grip gives you a V-taper appearance by highlighting your lats. Control your descent and contract your core. Use resistance bands or an aided machine if you have trouble performing bodyweight pull-ups. Perform 8 to 12 repetitions in 3 to 4 sets. 3. Bent-over barbell rows. Bend-over barbell rows are essential for building thickness and a stronger back overall. Pull the bar toward your lower ribs while maintaining a flat back, then clench your lats at the top. To achieve a strong, dense back, this works the mid-back and posterior delts. Perform 8 to 12 repetitions in 3 to 4 sets. 4. Seated cable rows. Constant tension is maintained by isolating the center back with seated cable rows. Pull the handle in the direction of your body while maintaining a straight back and managing the negative. This restores strength and detail. Try 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. 5. Lat pull-downs. Because you can change the weight, lat pull-downs are a fantastic substitute for pull-ups. Pull the bar to your chest while maintaining control of the movement with a broad grip. This is ideal for strengthening your lats and increasing the width of your upper back. Try 10 to 12 reps in 3 to 4 sets. Beyond appearances, a healthy back enhances stability, posture, and general strength. Don't forget to use your core, mix in different grips for variation, and concentrate on increasing overload for best results. Train your back at least twice a week. Please click the like button and subscribe for more if you found this useful. Together, let's continue to grow. See you in the upcoming one. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.